All you still damn nigga, holler when you see me. And let the devil result the day they finally free me. I got a devil really nigga, so you tell me why. Hit the motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live like the boss play. See me when I'm out, but for me if the door's late. The future's in my eyes. All I want is cash and things. And 5 double O bands, fucking flashy bangs. Bitch, you can see me like a dream. Been known to disappear for your eyes like a dope game. See, for my gang, drummer than the motherfucking razor blade. Now when I came out, I told you it was just about me. Then everybody had to open their mouth for the motherfucker opinion. Well, this how we gonna do this. Fuck Bad Boy as a staff, record label, and as a motherfucking crew. Do it for pocket plus I'm looking for folks to bust on. If you ain't streaming West Side, you can keep the fuck on. I'm thinking demons in the weed, got me hearing screams, scared to go to sleep. I watch the scene like a dope ring. Do it for pocket plus I'm looking for folks to bust on. If you ain't streaming West Side, you can keep the fuck on. I'm thinking demons in the weed, got me hearing screams, scared to go to sleep. I watch the scene like a dope ring. Have you really thought about your part in this participation? My prediction, bloody road, similar to administration. Now we're failing this to conversation. Cause it's your face, take the time to contemplate what you've been facing. Talking that hip-hop shit, get shot, bitch. Cause you tell all the no clicks to eat blocks, stick the clips and prepare for the motherfucking death. Cause every rapper in the industry is history, is death. Last verse is for the trick people. This is the sequel, I'ma treat you with evil, living forever illegal. Now homicide got me preoccupied. Be alive, I told you that I never wanted. But when I die, show a nigga word wrong. It's never zone, you can only survive if you be strong until I'm gone. I bust on Bad Boy, middle finger to them. Go get your young ass smacked. See y'all motherfuckers, fuck you, die slow, motherfucker. My phone, make sure all y'all kids don't grow. You motherfuckers can't be associates. You motherfuckers sound like rhymes. Do it for fucking bust on. Looking for folks to bust on. If you ain't streaming West Side, you can keep the fuck on. I'm thinking demons in the weed, got me hearing screams, scared to go to sleep. I watch the scene like a dope ring. Do it for fucking bust on. Looking for folks to bust on. If you ain't streaming West Side, you can keep the fuck on. I'm thinking demons in the weed, got me hearing screams, scared to go to sleep. I watch the scene like a dope ring. That's how we do it on our side. Any niggas from New York that wanna bring it, but we ain't singing, we bringing drama. Fuck you and your motherfucking mama. We gon' kill all you motherfuckers. The fans is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive? Will I die? You know the picture, the possibilities of giving me troubles. Lawyers making the print. I told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I play shit. Was hyper as a kid, old as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots. On the scene, major packing hundreds in my draw. Fuck the law, bitches, I fuck with a passion. I'm living rough and raw. Catching cases at a fast rate, rolling in the fast lane.